We are taking you live to Canberra now, where Health Minister Greg Hunt is speaking.
Queensland and our extraordinary emergency services personnel and those people who are affected by the flood. In relation to the children's vaccination program, tomorrow the nationwide program commences, but I am aware and delighted that some general practices and pharmacies have already begun. They've received their vaccines, they've commenced the program, and I think that's great news with the full national program beginning tomorrow. Over the course of the coming weeks, approximately 8,000 providers across general practice with 6,000, with 2,000, and state and Commonwealth clinics and Indigenous health clinics will be participating in the children's vaccination program. The important thing is that we have a population of approximately 2.3 million children in the eligible 5 to 11 age group, but with 3 million doses available over January and 2 million doses available over the course of the next 2 weeks. In terms of distribution, we have already seen across general vaccines for adults as well as children's vaccines over 9,700 deliveries of vaccines and consumables in the last week, and 11,000 deliveries this week, and a total across the 2 weeks of vaccine deliveries of 2.8 million and 3.7 million, or 6.5 million vaccines. So a record number of vaccine deliveries over the course of that time. The other significant thing is that in terms of the boosters themselves, what we've seen is yesterday there were 141,000 boosters and 164,000 total vaccinations, our highest Saturday since October, and that means that Australians are coming forward. We've now had over 1.25 million vaccines delivered in the last week, and that includes last Sunday and Monday, following on from New Year's and the New Year's Day holiday. So incredible work by our GPs, our pharmacists, who've stepped up to, on some days, be doing over 80,000, and the state clinics are now coming back online. So we thank everybody for that work, as well as our Indigenous medical clinics. The total rate of boosters is 3.56 million at this point in time, and as I've said, that's approximately 1 million ahead of the schedule that we had originally anticipated. So the deliveries and the providers are doing an extraordinary job. At the national level, we've now passed 44 million doses, and that includes 94.7% first doses. So we are within sight of 95%, which has always been seen as the full vaccination level, but we want to keep pushing. Our over 50s are at almost 99% for the entire over 50 population, and we've passed the 92% figure for second doses, and we've now passed the 80% figure, 80.1%, for 12 to 15-year-olds. And I think that's an important sign as we go into the children's vaccine program.